Which prophet the people love? Isa alayhi salam came. Imagine, he cured the blind, the impossible leper, he gave them the clean skin. He raised the dead alive in front of the people. Such miracles you will not find in the prophethood history. Did the people love him? Oh Isa, you did so many things. You fed the thousands who are hungry. Did they love him? وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. They made a cross and they wanted to destroy him on that cross. They wanted to crucify him. They didn't say, oh Isa, the Prophet of Allah, you are calling with wisdom and maw'izatin hasana. They said, go and crucify this person. And they executed their crucifixion. Wallahu khayrul makirin. But they crucified the wrong person. Because Allah Ta'ala plotted and saved Isa alayhi salam and took him right to the heavens where he is now as well.